This is the same day as the Bluey Candyland boxing video. And my name is Anya. I'm just gonna tear this thing, right? There's a cardboard in here. I changed into a Bluey dress. Yeah, that's been better. Yeah, I think. What's the cardboard for, dude? Yeah, that's what the cardboard's for. How am I supposed to get this? How am I supposed to get this? Oh, that was easy. That was easy, I mean, that's easy. Okay, I guess I have to be careful with this now. It's meant to be tape. But yeah, I should be careful with this. So this is the Bluey Spot. I think this is instruction. Yeah, this is instructions. And I did Bluey Spot before, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, there's lots more different things that I have expected. So this is all the cards. So we have Bluey, her friends, and we have these stuff. Bluey on her couch? Okay. And it says you can do it fast, but I'll do it with turn. So it has 55 cards and 8 symbols. Every 2 cards will have the matching symbol. You can play fast even before your turn comes. But I just do turns. And that's why my brother. Sorry, but that was my brother doing that shouting. And I like how this. And I do turns, and I like how this came with a box first. So I can open this box and put these cards in. And I can close the box, and then I can put it away. And when I want to play again, I can take this out, and then use it again. Let me know what you want me to unbox next in the comments. And bye guys.